in summary, my essay is about how tumor cells interact with each other. From cancer genome sequencing studies, we know that there are actually multiple genetically distinct subpopulations of tumor cells that coexist within individual tumors. And what we were very interested in investigating is how those different subpopulations of tumor cells might actually interact and cooperate with each other to influence the way the overall tumors behave. And we learned that in some cases, there are instances when tumor growth and maintenance actually depends upon cooperative interactions between these subgroups of tumor cells. I actually stumbled upon cancer research by accident, to be honest. I came to graduate school thinking I wanted to be a skeletal muscle physiologist, and I had the opportunity to rotate through a cancer lab, sort of as a wild card. I wanted to try something just completely different, and I found myself in Edward Gunther's laboratory, and honestly, his dedication and passion for cancer research was contagious, and I was hooked immediately. Fell completely down the rabbit hole and never looked back. And so that is how I got involved in cancer research. I think the thing about cancer that fascinates me so much is that cancers are really made up of our own cells that have sort of gone rogue and are now acting or working against us. And I find that just unbelievably fascinating. So my plans for the future, as a physician scientist, I'm going to continue my clinical training in pathology. I'm currently applying for pathology training residency programs on their physician scientist track. So it will incorporate both the clinical training and a postdoc experience. And ultimately, I'd like to have my own lab and research program and continue doing work in cancer and tumor heterogeneity. The last few days here in Stockholm have been just this incredible whirlwind, one amazing opportunity and event after another. It really feels like a dream. Seriously, I look around and I wonder whose life this is that I've stumbled into, because it certainly doesn't look anything like my own life. And I feel just so truly honored. The hosts here in Stockholm and at SciLifeLab have really gone above and beyond to make sure that we all feel welcome and truly, truly special. And I'm unbelievably grateful and touched by everyone's hard work to make us to feel so special. I would encourage everyone who is eligible to apply for the prize to apply. I actually, when I learned about the prize, was sure that I had no chance at all to win this prize. And luckily, I had fabulous advisors who said, you know what, go ahead, apply anyway, give it a shot. You don't know what's going to happen. And luckily, I listened to them and not to myself, because if I had listened to myself, I would have missed out on this once in a lifetime incredible experience. And so to everyone who is eligible to apply, you should apply. Give it a shot. You don't know what's going to happen.